My name is Mark Mihalik. I'm an electrician at Edge Automation. So I'd say the atmosphere here is very relaxed, but very motivated. We're very hungry here, but also we do like to have a good time.
My name is Sherry Johnstone. When you're building a custom machine, collaboration is huge. You have the company involved, of course, that wants the machine, but there's also collaboration in the manufacturing area, and then the assemblers, my co-workers that actually put all that together from the computer screen to paper to an end result.
My name's Corey Ambrose. Here at Edge, I think we all take pride in the team we have. We do a lot of cool things, but we have a lot of fun, and we've built quite a relationship as a team, not only here at work, but also outside of work.
What I've seen machines do here, it's just pretty impressive. If people could see some of this machinery, all they think of is robots, but that's not just what it's about.
So with automation, I would say each job is always different, so we're constantly learning and finding new ways of completing tasks.
But it's such a joy to come to work every day because I never know what's going to be coming across my desk.
We're always working on the cutting edge of technology. Very often we are the first.
From each project, so you can learn something and apply that to future things. Maybe it's not going to be the whole project, but at least a little piece continues into each one.